Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a super quick festive look using some of my favorites from theBalm. theBalm has just launched on Nykaa and I'm so glad because I used to love using their products in the past, but they were difficult to get in India, and now you can easily get it from Nykaa. This is the box that I received and these are some of the products I would be using for the look today. I'm going to start by filling my brows with the Furrowcious brow pencil. This has a nice fine tip, so you can do really minute work with this. I really like this. Next, I'm going to use the Mary-Lou Manizer, which is a liquid highlighter, and this has a very warm golden bronze tone, which I think looks really nice on the Indian skin, and it gives you a lot of glow. Next, I'm going to use the Nude Dude palette, and I'm using a soft golden color from this, which is something that would work for pretty much any occasion and for all skin tones. And I'm going to use the Schwing eyeliner to line my eyes and create a nice festive wing. There are two things I absolutely love about this liner. The first one is the applicator. It's quite fine, so you can create a very precise and neat wing using this. And secondly, it's got a really nice dark matte finish, which is not very common among liquid liners. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara to finish off the eyes. I'm using a little bit of pink blush just to add a nice healthy color to the cheeks, and for the lips I've got my favorite shade from the liquid matte range, and this shade is called Charming, and it's just the perfect nude pink that you can wear for any occasion. I highly recommend this color, and I love the formula as well. It's very comfortable and long lasting. And then for the final touch, I'm going to use the Mary-Lou Manizer highlighter, which is one of my favorite highlighters. It gives you such a stunning glow. I think it's a must-have for the festive season. And when you shop for products above 2000, you get a mini highlighter free. So that's an offer that you should definitely keep in mind if you're shopping for theBalm products. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.